Hey guys, what's up? This is Jake
and Alberto,
and today we're going to show you guys how to replace the rear brakes on your E90. So first, you guys want to use a 6mm Allen bit to remove the screw holding in the rotor, leaving one lug nut in place to hold the rotor temporarily.
Remove guide pin cap cover and use a 8mm Allen bit to remove guide pin from back.
Make sure to remove the brake pad sensor from the brakes.
Compress inside caliper against rotor.
Remove brake pads from caliper.
Carefully place the caliper control arm. Be careful not to bend or stretch brake line.
Make sure to remove the top and bottom bolts with a 16mm socket in order to remove the brake bracket.
If needed, use rotor mallet to remove the rotor from the housing.
Use brake cleaner and a wire brush to clean housing and brake parts if needed.
Unscrew wheel well with 8 and 10mm socket to replace brake pad wiring.
Disconnect and carefully replace the new brake pad wiring.
Apply light coating of any two housing to prevent the rotor from being stuck to housing in future replacement jobs.
Place the new rotor and fasten with 6mm Allen bit.
Place new brake pads in correct position.
And don't forget to apply a light layer of brake lube on the ears of the brake pads. And with that, guys, we are done with this video. We hope that you guys liked this video, and if you found it informative, feel free to subscribe,
like, and share with family.
There we go. See you guys in the next one. Take it easy.
It's not easy.
It's not, dude. Yeah.